Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to insert a file, may it be an Excel file or a Word file or a PDF in Excel as well as in a Word file. So let's proceed and learn how to insert a file in an Excel document. Click on Insert, go to Text, select Object, then you have to create new and create from the file. Click Create from the file, click on Browse option and go to the file that you want to import as an attachment here. Select the file, click Insert, then go to Display as icon. Just check this box. Once you check this box, you get one more option that is called Change icon. Click on that. You can change the name as per your wish. So let me change this to sample doc. Click OK and again click OK. Now you have your sample Excel file as an attachment. If you double click on that, the Excel file that is attached gets opened. In a similar way, you can do the same activity in Word as well. How to do that? Go to Insert, click on this object icon, create from file, again browse, select the sample file, click Insert, display as icon, change the name as per your wish, click OK again. Here you have a sample document attached. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like the content of the video, please hit the like button, put your thoughts in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning!